Ready to transform your Alight Motion videos from good to absolutely stunning with captivating color correction. First, let's import your clip. Tap the plus icon at the bottom and choose the video you want to edit. Next, we're going to create an adjustment layer so the color effects apply to the whole video at the bottom of the screen. Tap the plus icon again. This time, select Shape. Now, choose a rectangle. Drag the edges of the new rectangle to cover the entire video frame. With the rectangle selected on your timeline, tap Effects, and then Add Effect. The real color magic starts here. Scroll through the categories and select Color and Light. You'll see a bunch of options. For this tutorial, let's start with Color Tune. Tap Color Tune to add it to your adjustment layer. Now, experiment with the sliders like highlights, shadows, and exposure. Subtle tweaks can make a huge difference. For example, pulling the highlight slider to the right brightens the lighter areas, creating a more vibrant image, while slightly lowering the shadows darkens the darker areas. Don't be afraid to explore other effects too. Brightness, contrast, and gamma are fantastic for fine-tuning the overall look. Add them just like you added Color Tune, and play with the sliders until you achieve your desired aesthetic. And that's it. You now know how to add adjustment layers and apply color correction in Alight Motion. Keep experimenting with different effects and settings to develop your unique color grading style and make your edits pop.